Hi, gardening friends. Welcome back to Myth or Truth, where we explore common gardening beliefs to see if they hold up under scrutiny. Today, we're looking at the age-old tale that placing rusty nails in the soil around your roses will help them grow better. Is it a myth or truth? Let's find out. The idea behind this tale is that rusty nails will provide iron to the soil, which roses need for healthy growth. Sounds logical, right? Well, it turns out that this is actually a myth. Rusty nails do contain iron, but the form of iron in rusty nails is not easily accessible to plants. The iron in rusty nails is not soluble in water, which means it doesn't break down in the soil to a form that plants can use. But what does help, adding well-balanced fertilizers that contain chelated iron or using compost and other organic matter, can provide the necessary nutrients for your roses. Compost improves soil structure and adds nutrients, promoting healthier growth for your roses without relying on rusty nails. So there you have it, folks. The rusty nail trick for roses is a myth. Stick to proven methods like proper fertilization and composting to keep your roses looking their best. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and myth busting. See you in the next episode.